Welcome. If you're watching this video, it's because you want to get instructions on how to complete the measuring current and voltage PHET assignment. So you'll click on the assignment in Teams, and you should be able to edit your own copy. And that's great because then you can just type right in and then turn it in. Once you open up the document, go ahead and type your name there, type the date, and then I'm going to ask you to click on the link. Okay, for some reason it's not working for me because I have a different screen. So I'm going to click on this link that looks very similar to yours, and it's going to take you directly to the PHET simulation. Now, I know that we've done PHET simulations in class before, and you had to download it, and some of you know what I'm talking about when I say update Java, and there were all these issues. This one should work right in your browser. If it's not working, maybe you're using Internet Explorer, and you need to instead choose Google Chrome or Firefox. So if for some reason it's not working, try a different browser. But once you get it going, it should be fine. Click on Intro. Okay, and then what we're going to do, it says, I've launched the PHET simulation here, and then it says find a way to make a single light bulb light up with as few parts hooked up as possible. When electricity flows through the wires and make something work like a light bulb, it's called a circuit. And then it's asking you to draw it, or you can take a screenshot and paste it here, and then you're going to go through and you're going to read the directions and answer the questions. Okay, even later it's asking you to construct this one. So let's go back and let's look at exactly what we're asked to do, or what it should look like when we're asked to do certain things. I'm trying to make sure you can see everything in the screen. Okay, so we learned how to do the schematic diagram, and what we have here is we have wires, batteries, light bulbs, resistors, switches. If you press this button down here, you can see, aha, there's a fuse, a dollar bill, a paper clip, a coin, interesting, a wire, eraser, pencil. You can put someone's hand, you can put a dog. We're going to experiment with different things here. Now what you do is you click on it and you grab it and you bring it out. Okay, now I know I'm definitely going to need a power source, and I don't know what voltage this is, so I'm going to come over here on the right and I'm going to click on values. Oh, it looks like it's automatically a 9-volt battery. So if I click on it, I should be able to see, scroll up, I should be able to see, aha, it's a 9-volt battery, and I can change. Let's say I'm going to make it 120 volts. That's pretty high powered. These little dotted lines, that shows me where to connect it. I'm going to grab another wire and connect it. Instead of a light bulb, because that's what you're asked to do, I'm going to do, let's see, I'm having a little trouble. It's not scrolling down. There we go. Okay, I'm going to do a paper clip. I have a feeling electricity will flow through a paper clip. And you see how it has 0 and then the little horseshoe shape? You're going to learn that that means ohms, 0 ohms. That means there's no resistance from that, supposedly. So if I connect this, I wonder what's going to happen. It caught fire, because it's just basically electricity running really fast and nothing to slow it down. If I want to stop it, I can click on that and then stop that. All right. Later in the assignment, you'll be asked to use a voltmeter. The way a voltmeter works is you put one end on one side and one end on the other side. Okay, it says 120 volts. I want you to notice if I flip the terminal, if I flip the black end on the other side and the red end on this side, I want you to notice, look, I get negative. That's because I did it backwards. So we want to make sure we connect it the correct way and we get it positive. Okay, and I can grab the ammeter. An ammeter measures the current. Let's say I measure it right here. Right now, there's no current flowing, so it's 0. If I put it, oh, it's on fire. Whoa, the number's so big. There's so much current. It's crazy. That's why it lit on fire. Okay. Now, this isn't the circuit we're asked to make. I was just showing you an example. Also, if you click this little button over here, it converts it to a schematic diagram. Do you see how the battery changed to the symbol for battery? And this changed to a symbol for a resistor, even though it's 0 resistance. Okay, if I click that again, I think it'll go back to the pictures. I have a feeling you, oh, there it is. I'll click the battery, it goes back to the pictures. So you can do schematic or picture. Okay, so what we're asking you to do is continue working through the worksheet. There's only 11 questions. This one really should be pretty simple, and then submit it on Teams when you're done. As always, feel free to message us on Remind or by email if you have any questions or concerns. Good luck and happy learning.